Hi Rachel, I'm Antonio. I'm from Orlando, Florida. My favorite spot to get breakfast is the Dixie Cream Cafe. Amazing food, great people. So the best dish at Dixie Cream Cafe is definitely going to be the smoked brisket hash. The brisket mixed with the potatoes and the oil. It also comes with the biscuit, which is so good. Some eggs. It's the best type of hearty breakfast you could ever get. There's no words to describe how good this thing is. Thanks, Rach.
Hi Rachel, I'm Patty Weiss from Gilbertsville, Pennsylvania, and we're here at Lenny's Hot Dogs in Eateries, PA. I'm here with Rob, my husband. We're going to go ahead in and get a hot dog fish cake combo. Come on in.
We've been going to Lenny's for, I guess, 35 years. We've been married for 30 years. And on probably like our second or third date, he said, I'm going to take you out for a hot dog with a fish cake on the roll. And then I seriously considered dumping him at that point. It was delicious, and I've been eating it ever since. Here we go.